Hey, how's it going, everyone? Brad here from West Coast Motorcycle Adventures. Today I'm going to show you guys how to clean and lube your chain when all you have is a car jack to jack up your bike. So I'll show you how to do this and clean the chain and lube it. So let's do this. All right, I like to stick a piece of wood down because that way you don't have to jack so high, like so. You want to, where are we here? You want to jack up on the frame, not on your skid plate. And just before the jack touches the metal, move this back a bit more. I like to put a rag down so it's not metal on metal. Don't need that wheel high up off the ground. Yeah. All right, now I can get to cleaning the chain. I've got this Motul chain cleaner, and yeah, you just spray it on a old sock or a rag and clean your chain. So here we go. All right, first you want to put some gloves on. Get an old sock or a rag. Spray it on there like so. Got some cardboard down. And you want to go ahead and clean the chain. Could have jacked it up just a little bit more. That's okay. So if you really wanted to get in there and get it real clean, you can get a brush, like a little dish brush or a toothbrush even, and get in there and clean it really good. But I keep my chain pretty clean and lubed, and I don't know, I don't think I need to go that far. I just need to give it a good wiping down with this chain cleaner and spray it with some fresh lube. I have this Castrol chain lube that I picked up from Walmart. Let's see how it works out. Got my master link right here. And they're spraying. Whoa, okay. Well, that comes out fast. Master link, where'd you go? There you are. All right, I think that should be good. A little bit of overspray on my tires. I'm gonna give that a wipe off. And that's how you clean and lube a motorcycle chain when all you have is a car jack. So hope you guys found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day. Pow.